I was never ashamed of being black. I always was proud of being black. Always was. From the time I was little, I always figured that I was lucky. One of the hardest things of studying art for me was the lack of any reference to African art or any other people's art. I became extremely conscious of it when I was 8 years old in the second grade because my teacher asked me to draw all the characters just as they appeared in this storybook. And it had the three bears and Goldilocks and everything except the bears were white folks. And in church, it bothered me that everybody around the white Jesus was also white. God was white, Mary was white, and Joseph was white, and all of the disciples were white. It's worse than a lack of representation. It's as though we didn't exist. The idea for the calendar formulated over a long period of time of doing works that were historical, just for that lack of.
And do you think that we need to make this a little darker then?
Yeah.
I love this one.
The pieces that are in the calendar, they were people who played at Crystal Ballroom. And most of the people were people that I actually saw myself and saw them perform. I chose subjects that were positive. Fats Domino, for instance, it had so much influence. The idea is just simply to share that story.
That's kind of why I'm excited about the calendar, because the discovery and the rediscovery for our children, you know, of different people that they might not have ever heard of, and just being able to see not always just the hardships of Black Americans or the African diaspora, but the overcoming, the empowerment, the enlightenment, the happiness.